Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to place buttons beside each other on Cardco website. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're starting to edit your website on Cardco. How do you actually go ahead and make it so that your buttons are beside each other on your Cardco website? So I was recently editing my website, and the way that I actually was able to get this to work is you can either create two different element buttons so that one will be on top of the other. But if you want it to be beside each other, all you've got to do is click on the button element and then click on add. Now, once you do so, you can see that these are the two buttons that I have on the same button element. If the element is too big, like let's say, for example, the font size is a bit larger, do you see how it drops into the following line? If you want it to be smaller or be beside each other, what I did was that I simply just reduced the font size, and then now both buttons are beside each other. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and place buttons beside each other on your Cardco website. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.